Bike's finally out of the shop, so we thought we'd open it up and go up to Hell's Kitchen on the Ortega Highway and have some lunch. Just can't seem to open it up right now. I really question the judgment of choosing that road to ride a group of bicycles. Oh well. The thing about riding with this guy, he never stays behind you for very long. She seems to be running just fine. Traffic was terrible that day, so I'm going to make a short video. Restrictions have become less intense as the recall efforts became more intense. Good thing, because now most of our people live in tents. It was pretty quiet that day, so here's some vintage video I got from Hell's Kitchen. In case you've never been there, there's actually some people who haven't. Great. Now we got a moving van, a dump truck, and 2 cars. Remember, if you want to submit your video, just follow the link. It'll be in the description also. I appreciate you hitting the subscribe button too. If you want the video for your channel, that's fine too. Let me know. Also remember, keep the shiny side up. Bye.